Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be unboxing something. I don't know if you've noticed, but the last 2 months or so, I really haven't unboxed anything because nothing has actually arrived. I probably have 2 or 3 outstanding Kawaii boxes. I know I've got Inku boxes. I know a Zenpop box is coming. Simply Good. There's a lot of boxes coming, but because of everything going on, shipment delivery has been severely delayed. I feel everything is added an extra month or 2 on top of it. So I've been really anxious waiting for everything. I really hope it doesn't just all come at one go, because then we're gonna have a lot of unboxings on this channel. But I'm just excited for a bit of a change of pace. So this is June's Kawaii box. You know what, I'm gonna just double check the last Kawaii box I unboxed, because I know I've paid for all of them, so I'd be really concerned if there were some months missing. Okay, I last checked. The last one I actually unboxed was March, so April and May are missing. So I'll have to make sure to reach out to the company and let them know whether maybe they can forward it to credit for additional 2 months or something, because yeah, I don't think that's very fair. And I'll let you guys know how that goes as well. I know that customer service with company can always be a little bit daunting and uncertain as to how they'll react. But let's just get right into the unboxing. Okay, there's a lot of big products here. Got the adorable plushy Sanrio character. Alright, let's open it up. So I'm not really sure what the name of this character is. I don't know if it has a name. But it says it's Sanrio characters. I think it might, I don't know if it's supposed to be this yellow puppy. I think it's Pum Pum Purin, which I went to the cafe when I was in Japan almost 2 years ago. Is it 2 years? 1.5 years ago now. But yeah, I think it's supposed to be him. He just kind of looks a little different. Usually the hat's quite a bit bigger. No, can you see? This is probably more what I expected him to look like, but I mean, he's still adorable, so it's fine. And then I think I know what this is. It's kind of like a lunchbox, like a bento lunchbox, which I love these. I actually have a few of these, but I don't use them for food. I don't know, I feel a bit weird about putting my food into plastic now. I tend to have a lot of glass containers instead. So I tend to use it just to store like bits and bobs and stationery. But this is really cute. And okay, so you do kind of have a divider, so you would put it here so you can like, actually it's this way around, isn't it? That's right. So you can have like rice and veggies and meats here. So cute. Yeah. I've always looked for glass containers, like cute bento glass containers, because that would be adorable. I have found some that have the dividers, but it just doesn't have the same characters or anything. It's very plain. But that's okay. And then we have some candy, some peach candy. I love this kind of candy because it's soft and chewy, like not super soft, but it's very chewy, but there's always like bits of extra candy. I don't know if you can see, but see how there's yellow bits in there? This candy has that mixed in, so I don't know, it's like fun to eat, as strange as that might sound. Okay, we got some chopsticks as well. I don't think this goes specifically with the bento box, and also it wouldn't fit, it's way too long. But these chopsticks are so nice. I'm totally keeping these for myself. Okay, so this seems like a novelty pen. Yeah, this would be, it's like a cute pen, but it would be the most annoying pen to use because this thing wobbles a lot. So I'm gonna give this to my niece, who I'm finally able to see. I haven't seen her in almost 3 months because of all the social distancing going on in Australia. I feel like I should give her the bento box, but I don't want to because I actually quite like that. So good thing she doesn't watch my videos. And then we have some puffy stickers, candy, and then, oh, Post-it notes. Love that. I've actually been using down all my Post-it notes. I've made it a rule that I will not buy any more Post-it notes because I have way too many that I need to use. But if they come in subscription boxes, that's fine. That's my loophole. And then this, I think, oh, it's onigiri wrappers. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, you can wrap onigiri in here. Here, much better. I actually have a lot of these. I think I ended up giving these to Violet, not this same one, but plain, because I made a ton of onigiris for myself, but I'm the sort of person that can't eat the same thing for very long. Like after about a week, I'm like done for it for months. So I made like 20 or 30, I froze them, and I would defrost one each day for breakfast. And by the end of the week, I was like, I'm over this, I can't do it anymore. So I ended up giving all the remaining ingredients and package to Violet, because she can eat things for a very long time. But this is really cute. I love this because it's so, when it comes out, it's like really nice and fresh. Yeah, all right. Well, that's everything in June's Kawaii box. I am going to, after this, I'm actually going to go email Kawaii Box and just see what sort of compensation, I guess, can happen with the missing boxes. And yeah, I will let you guys know probably in the next Kawaii Box unboxing video. So probably for July, hopefully that comes soonish. And yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.